Yo, somehow we have perfect weather for Snowskate episode 3. Snowskate Tutors episode 3, that is. So we got not much snow, but we're gonna learn some stuff today. Check out the Snowskate footage, episode 3. One other awesome thing to use is 1-ball J snowboard wax. It's for the cold, but I like using this stuff because it seems like it really slicks up the snow skate. Just click below on the description of this video if you want 1-ball J wax. Try to get this trick over the set there into the grass with the snow. So we're gonna head out there, check that out. Episode 3. All right, so here we are, snow skating. You know, I did this handrail last year at the end of it, and now we're gonna try the set. It's crazy because there's a snow drift right here from all the snow out here. We only got like 3 inches, but there's like a foot over here. I'm gonna use that snow piled up here, get some tricks down the set. This is gonna be sick. Awesome setting. Yo, so here's Snowskate Tutors. So make sure you guys smash like, comment about snow skating, and also subscribe for more snow skating videos. We just got the pop shove tail grab down here. Unfortunately, we only got the shot with the GoPro. As you can see, here it is. But we got the sick pop shove it down it with my camera, my phone, and the GoPro. So, you know what? I'm gonna walk away with these 2 tricks because this is my first time skating sets or snow skating sets, and we're out of here. We're not even gonna try to kickflip it. Yeah, I'm too old. There's a cell cut, dude. We out, yo. Sickness. We might even come back to this. Like, you'd even hit this now. I'm just too old to hit it. I did it last year. I'll show you a little clip from that. Bam, there's that. Check out that video in the description below if you want to see that video of me hitting this rail. Check that out, guys. Check that video out. Just click below. So yeah, we just got done. We're about to drive back. We got this awesome sunset. We're just getting on one more shot. Bring it back to my house. All right, if you want to see Snowskate Tutors episode 4, just click on that box on the screen and it'll take you to that episode. Peace out, guys.